السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أهلا وسهلا إلى مركز العلوم والحكمة Remote Study. Welcome to the second part of our lesson series from the book titled Arabic Language for Beginners. I am Mudaris Sulaiman Ali. Happy listening. التعبير Arabic expression. التعبير Arabic expression. We are going to learn from this lesson some basic words in Arabic for us to be able to independently express ourselves in Arabic. Udrus, learn. Walahis, and observe at the same time. Udrus, study. Walahis, and observe at the same time. Wahid number 1. Kam komison indak. Kam komison indak. How many shirts do you have? Kam komison indak. How many shirts do you have? Remember that the name in Arabic, or the Arabic word appearing after kam must be nakra. Must be nakra. What is nakra? Nakra is a name in Arabic without alifun and lamun at the beginning. Without alifun and lamun at the beginning. For instance, Al-Kitab is not nakra. To make it nakra, you detach alif and the lam. You say kitabun, a book. Kitabun, a book. Al-Qalamu, the pen, is not nakra. To make it nakra, you detach alifun and the lam. Qalamun, a pen. Qalamun, a pen. Al-Baytu, the house, is not nakra. To make it nakra, detach alifun and lam at the beginning. Baytun, a house. I repeat, Arabic words, an Arabic word appearing after kam must be nakra. Not only that, the last letter must take double fataha. The last letter must take double fataha. For instance, kam kitaban, how many books? Kam qalaman, how many pens? Kam baytan, how many houses? Kam kitaban, how many books? In addition to that, the Arabic word must be singular. The Arabic word appearing after kam must be singular. I repeat, the Arabic word appearing after kam must be nakra. That is one. Number 2, the last letter must take double fataha. Number 3, it must be singular. As we have it in kam komison indak. How many shirts do you have? La'alaka fahimt? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Now the answer to the question. Indi thalathatu qumsan zarqa. Indi thalathatu qumsan zarqa. Indi thalathatu qumsanin zarqa. I have 3 blue shirts. Indi thalathatu qumsanin zarqa. I have 3 blue shirts. Remember, the use of numbers in Arabic from 3 to 10. From 3 to 10. If what you are counting is mudhakkar, you use a number that is mu'annas. I repeat. If what you are counting is mudhakkar, use a number, you attach a number that is mu'annas to it. For instance, qamis is muzakkar. Why is it muzakkar? There is no round ta at the end of the word qamis. That is why we treat it as muzakkar, not mu'annas. Unlike suratun, I hope you understand. Unlike Khadijatu, unlike suratun, a chapter of the Noble Quran, or unlike usratun, family. So the word qamis is mudhakkar. So you must attach a number that is mu'annas to it. I hope you understand. Muzakkar, counted object, takes mu'annas number. Kam komison indak. How many shirts do you have? So you now respond saying, Indi thalathatu qumsanin zarqa. And the word appearing after the number must be stated as plural, not as singular. As we have it in qumsan, not qamis. Thalathatu qumsanin. You don't say thalathu qumsanin. Rather thalathatu. The number must be mu'annas because what we are counting is mudhakkar. I hope you get it right. MashaAllah. So عندي ثلاثة قمصان زرقاء. I have 3 blue shirts. اثنان, number 2. كم ثوبا عندك? How many gowns do you have? كم ثوبا عندك? How many gowns do you have? Now the answer. عندي أربعة أثواب بيضاء. عندي أربعة أثواب بيضاء. I have 4 white gowns. ثلاثة, number 3. كم سيارة عندك يا زينب? Now سيارة. What we are counting now is مؤنث, which means we are going to attach a number that is muzakkar. You still remember? MashaAllah. So كم سيارة عندك يا زينب. So how many cars do you have, Zainab? Now the answer. عندي 5 سيارات زرقاء. 5, not 5. Because what we are counting is now mu'annas, feminine. عندي 5 سيارات زرقاء. عندي 5 سيارات زرقاء. So I have 5 blue cars. عندي 5 سيارات زرقاء. I have 5 blue cars. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. 4, number 4. كم حافلة عندك يا فاطمة? كم حافلة عندك يا فاطمة? How many buses do you have? يا فاطمة, فاطمة. Now the answer. عندي 6 حوافل بيضاء. The plural form of حافلة is حوافل. عندي 6 حوافل بيضاء. I have 6 white buses. 5, number 5. من هؤلاء? من هؤلاء? Who are these? من هؤلاء؟ هؤلاء طلاب من المدينة. هؤلاء طلاب من المدينة. هؤلاء طلاب. These are students. من المدينة, from the city. هؤلاء طلاب. These are students. من المدينة, from the city. 6, number 6. من أولئك? من أولئك? من أولئك? Who are those? Now the answer. أولئك طلاب من القرية. أولئك طلاب من القرية. أولئك طلاب. Those are students. Those are students. من القرية, from the village. أولئك طلاب. Those are students. من القرية, from the village. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. 7, number 7. أين البائع? أين البائع? Where is the seller? البائع في الدكان. البائع في الدكان. The seller is in the shop. Remember, في is an agent of kasra. حرف جر. حرف جر, so it must give kasra to the last letter of the Arabic word appearing after it, as we have it in في الدكان. في الدكان, inside the shop. 8, number 8. أين البائعون? أين البائعون? Where are the sellers? البائع is mufrad. البائعون is the jamu, is the plural form of بائع. Now the answer. البائعون في الدكاكين. البائعون في الدكاكين. The sellers are inside the shops. So the plural form of dukan is dakakin, shops. Dakakin, shops. Dukanun, shop. Dakakin, shops. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. 9, number 9. أين المشترون? أين المشترون? Where are the buyers? المشتري is the mufrad. المشترون is the jamu. المشترون خارج دكاكين. المشترون خارج دكاكين. The buyers are outside the shops. المشترون خارج دكاكين. The buyers are outside the shop. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. مع السلامة وإلى اللقاء آخر.